Did you know there's so much traffic out there, some of it goes to waste? And did you know that there is super duper cheap traffic out there inside the world where you can get freaking like 1 cent per click, basically around that amount? Remember, this is like paid traffic, but basically free, and you could definitely make thousands of dollars per day with this new method that requires almost no work, no learning curve. You can do this anywhere in the world, guys. I kid you not. And if you're excited for this video, I'm going to explain to you something that you've never heard of before that you could take advantage of and literally make millions of dollars so fast. Because guess what? On Facebook ads and YouTube ads and all these different places, well, there's a lot of competition, and it may cost like $30 per 1,000 views of your ad. But on what I'm about to tell you, it can cost like $1 per 1,000 people that see your ad. This is crazy. But at the end of the day, guys, literally cheap traffic is what you want. So get ready, and if you're excited, let's dive right in and let's freaking change your life. Let's go! Yo guys, welcome to this video. So this is just a quick income update of one of my many funnels. And let me refresh real quick so you can see, but this is just of last month, November. The earnings per click right here, if it loads, I don't know why it's not loading. Okay, there you go. Earnings per click's around $10, okay, which is very powerful. If you know anything about marketing, you know that that's like the pinnacle. So I figured out a lot of secrets in, funnels and my marketing, my strategies of how to do this stuff. So gross sales right there, average cart value is around $1,000 right there. And that's kind of what I'm doing. And this is cold traffic in the make money niche. And I'm running Facebook ads and YouTube ads, but I can't show you my funnel, but this is extremely powerful what I'm doing. And this is like $10 per click in cold traffic. And I've just been running this, and I believe I'm at like 3x ROI. So I spent somewhere around like, what is that, like $4 grand-ish on ads and made back like 13 grand. And this is just a passive funnel I'm running right now. And to make the money, it made 13 grand just last month. So there you go. So there you go, guys, some motivation. But let's get into this video about how you can leverage cheap traffic sources. This is gonna be powerful. Yo, so welcome. And guys, just thinking about it real quick, like think about the perspective here. If you've ever thought about traffic, you probably thought, oh, it's really expensive. Oh, it's a lot of money, but it's really not. It's extremely cheap, okay? These sources I'm gonna show you, these traffic sources. It's extremely cheap. It costs basically 1 cent per click, if not less than that. And if you know what to do with these traffic sources, your margins can be insanely high. So I'm gonna show you a bunch of stuff in this video. And if you wanna go from living in a ghetto to living in a penthouse, and there you go. I didn't live in a ghetto when I first started, but I definitely lived in a very stressed out, broke family home that is the most amazing family ever. But we were very broke and very poor. But I made it out of that being able to make money. And the one thing that kept me going I was like suicidal from like being bullied and stuff. The one thing that kept me going is the desire to make money online. If I would have known about this, I would have tried this very early on and probably seen a lot of success just from this. Doing like pop under, doing like native ads, doing like cheap sources that I'm going to share with you in this video. So let's dive right in. Okay, so what's even more cheaper than 1 cent per click is actually free traffic. So I will get into free traffic strategies in this video that are obviously less than 1 cent per click, and they're free and they're very scalable. Millionaires are created from free methods and even penny click methods and even just regular advertising methods like Facebook ads and stuff. But let's go in here really quick. I'm going to show you these sites super duper fast. So pay close attention to this because this is like 10 seconds per freaking site. So right here we have Outbrain, and Outbrain is an extremely good site. I mean, they got tons of traffic. It's mainly native ads, but they have other options too, and they're obscenely cheap. Next, we got PlugRush right here, and PlugRush is basically pop under traffic. And you can trade traffic with other people with this platform. You can sell your traffic for people to buy it. But dude, it's less than 1 cent per click. It's crazy. This one right here is called AdRoll, and AdRoll is extremely cheap as well. Another site you can look into. They get a lot of users. Okay, this one right here is called Bidvertiser, and Bidvertiser is once again another great site. Moving on. Of AdBlade right here, very good site, the most innovative content style ad platform on the web. Next we have right here buy sell ads. Buy sell ads lets you literally you buy ads on certain digital assets like websites. You literally get to buy ads on them. And there's a lot of freaking different places. There's audiences right here you can go to. You can see all the different audiences. And if you're an advertiser, go to advertiser right here, and you can see all your options real quick. Okay, but you're gonna want to make an account first. Okay, the next one is called Propeller Ads, and I can tell you right now, Propeller Ads is probably, out of all these, one of the biggest by far with the most options, and they're extremely cheap. They do push notifications, they do on-click ads, and they do in-page push, and they do native basically native ads, which is really, really powerful. All these methods are. So I definitely recommend propeller ads. I recommend Taboola too. Taboola is kind of like Outbrain, the first one I showed. And Taboola is just a great site overall. Next, we got AdFly. AdFly is very interesting. People buy this traffic for so cheap, and basically the traffic you're getting, okay, so you're buying it for so cheap, but the traffic you're getting is basically people, they link to whatever they link to, but then people that click the link, they're going to see your lander or your website before the people go over to the actual site they were meant to go to. So it's kind of like they're kind of distracted and stuff, but the traffic's just so cheap, you might as well go with it. The next one is called Zero Park. Now, Zero Park is very cool. Zero Park's basically the size of propeller ads, a little smaller, but dude, they're huge, and they got tons. They're probably the cheapest I've ever seen. Their pop traffic is like 0.0001 cents. Okay, so that's like a fraction of a cent. Anyway, we're gonna keep going through the video, but those are all the sites that are just extremely cheap. I'm gonna tell you how to make money with them. Okay, guys, so I know you just watched me draw that, and you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, literally 0.01 like cents per click. That's how much it costs, and then you make like 30 cents or more back per click. Like in the beginning of this video, I showed you I have a funnel that makes on average like $9 plus per click sent to it, which is insane. Now imagine what the ROI is here. Can you figure out what the ROI would be here, return on investment? If you got traffic for basically 1 cent per click or less, these traffic sources you're gonna get for even less per click, like 0.0001, okay, per click. And if per click you get back is like 30 cents, I'm sure you can imagine the power here. It's insane. The volume there is, first off, there's just so much traffic out there of this. And then it's just insane how cheap it is. And if you know what you're promoting, you're gonna make money. So I'll explain in this video what to sell and how to do it. But you also need to realize this traffic is cheap for a reason, has no competition. The traffic is usually very distracted, and it's not like the other high quality traffic sources, but if you know what you're doing, you can make a lot of money with these traffic sources, okay? So the strategy is basically you're buying, and you just focus on one of these websites I showed you, or a couple, and then you just buy the traffic, and you're going to send that traffic to a funnel of yours, or directly to one offer that's hot. It's like high converting offer. That's how you're gonna make some money, okay? So let's keep going through the video. Okay, so this is OfferVault, and OfferVault's basically a website where you can like find, it's like a search engine where you could find a bunch of affiliate offers. Have you ever been on OfferVault before? I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Like, this site is awesome, okay? So basically, if you go on this site, you'll see a bunch of offers and a bunch of like networks that host the offers. That means a network's basically a place you can go to that has a bunch of like affiliate offers you can promote. And you're gonna wanna find really, really good offers. And what you're going for, you could go for something high ticket and stuff, but when it comes to this type of traffic source, you want something like that can convert really high, and then it pays out pretty low, which means it's easy to convert. So you want to go for the lead type offers. And if you look right here, the trending searches, these are called sweepstake offers, and I make like 100 grand plus per month with sweepstake offers. And I know that's crazy and stuff. I've been doing it for months, and anyone can do this. It's in fact probably the easiest thing ever to do. Like, there are people trying to sell like cars, people trying to sell like houses, and people trying to sell like pizza, when all you need to do is tell people, hey, you have a chance to win a gift card, and boom, they're interested and they want to go for that. So all you need, and remember, there's so much volume here and you're getting it for so cheap, you literally just buy this traffic and you send them to these sweepstake offers, okay? Or adult offers. Like, you could send people to like dating offers and stuff. But what you're doing right here, this is just an example to show all the different offers that are out there. But if you go on OfferVault, you're going to see like all the offers that are out there. But you might as well just sign up on a CPA network like Max Bounty or anyone's listed here. And then you go in and you find sweepstake offers, and then you just ask your affiliate manager, what's the highest converting sweepstake offer? Then promote that. If you want, you can direct link with that with pop under traffic. And if you put like a landing page in between, you're going to make money, guys. It's amazing. These offers convert higher than a cost per sale offer. That's for sure. So there you go. Those are some tips about finding offers. Now let's keep going through the video. Okay, as you can see, the different types of traffic here is adult sites, spam sites, influencers, pop under, and mobile, and third world sites. And let me explain real quick each of these. Adult sites is exactly what you think. They're basically adult sites, and the adult industry has basically the same amount of volume and traffic as Facebook or YouTube or any of those. And you know, the traffic's extremely cheap. Most people have no idea how to convert it. And I make like 100 grand just from that income stream per month from this, okay? Knowing what to do with this traffic. This right here is just spam sites in general, just smaller sites that just want to monetize with their traffic. So they basically sell their traffic, but it's so cheap, okay? Now if you know what to do there, you can crush it with that. Next is influencers. Most influencers in fact, especially on Instagram, they don't know their worth of their audience that they can basically, you know, advertise in front of. So you can basically reach out to them and say, hey, I'll pay you $1,000. Let's say they have a couple million followers. You pay them $1,000, you promote something, whatever it may be, and you make a lot of money. And you just find an offer that matches their type of demographic, you're gonna make money, okay? You can promote affiliate offers or your own funnel and all that stuff. Next is pop under traffic. Pop under traffic's like less than a cent per like click, and each visitor is actually landing on your website every single time, and you pay per 1,000 people that show up on your website. So you're basically paying, it could be $1 per 1,000 humans that go on your website. So it's like really cheap, okay? Next is mobile. Mobile in general is very cheap compared to desktop, because if someone's on desktop, they're like clicking around and they see all the tabs they're dealing with, they know what's happening, they usually are more comfortable with a state or not on the go. When someone's using a mobile, it's more cheaper because they're not distracted, but if you know what you're doing, once again, you can really crush it. And if you promote like a sweepstake offer, you can really make a lot of money. This video I'm doing right now, this can change people's lives, okay? If you're excited, smash the like button. I mean, seriously, I shouldn't have to tell you to smash the like button because this video is super powerful. Let's keep going. Third world. Third world countries are gonna be 0.00000. I should add a couple more zeros and then 1 at the end. It's so cheap. When you do any of the sites I showed you and then do like third world country and then promote like an offer for a third world country, you're gonna see margins that are very high, okay? It's pretty freaking crazy. Also, just to mention, first world countries and second world countries are still obscenely cheap. They're like a cent per click or around that, like even less than that. Like, it's crazy. So basically you can get in front of the same people that are on Facebook, but for a couple cents, which is just, it's amazing. So let's keep going through the video. Okay, I bet you guys can see, but this is a freaking awesome image because it's literally showing you the top 100 websites on Earth. So as you can see, Google is just massive. They're huge. They also own YouTube. So right there, it just takes up most of the screen. And then they have a bunch of sub companies beneath that. So, I mean, the traffic's insane. By the way, this is the highest quality traffic you can get. It's all in the middle right here. This is like a China-owned website, that one right there. And Facebook right here, Facebook is just massive too. They're an interruption marketing platform, so you can get in front of people that are very interest-based targeted, and you can like target exact people with your offers. It's amazing. Then you got like the adult sites and stuff right here, whatever they may be. And these adult sites, literally, they are massive traffic sources. In fact, I don't know the date range of when this was. This is like 2019, but those sites are bigger. Google obviously is everything. Okay, so it basically encompasses everything. This one's never going away, which is very good. We all love Google. Yahoo, don't really like Yahoo. If you have a Yahoo browser, comment down below and tell us why you like Yahoo. But I just despise Yahoo compared to Google. The Google search engine's amazing. But what I'm trying to say here is, so pop under, super cheap. Native ads, super cheap. Push ads, super cheap. All these sites I've shown you are super cheap. But when you think about why they're cheap, it's because there's no competition and because the quality of traffic's very low and distracted. But at the same time, if you do the right thing, you can make a lot of money. But when you think about this, is the high quality traffic sources, if you do free traffic methods, which is basically content creation on these free traffic sources like Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, you can't really do publishing on Google unless you do like a website, which websites do not do very well compared to YouTube. But anyway, you do free content on these quality traffic sources, you're gonna make a lot of money. Plus, even if you do paid ads, these are very great traffic sources in general for marketing. Just have a good freaking offer. When you saw my results in the beginning of the video, and I have quite a few funnels just like that, maybe not at $1,000 mark with cold traffic, but I have funnels that have like a $37 offer on the front end, or like a free plus shipping offer on the front end, stuff like that. And it works really well with these high quality traffic sources because these people are not necessarily fully distracted like these other traffic sources, and you can still make money. You can make money with cheap and paid and free methods. So my point is, in general, you should be everywhere, okay, but focused, or for sure focused, but not like either, and not focusing on the like wrong stuff. Let's keep going. Yo, welcome. So right now I'm gonna pull out my calculator. I'm gonna show you the math behind all this. This is crazy. So let's look at it this way. You put let's say, I'll show you real quick. You put $1,000 into one of these websites, okay? And let's say that the cost per click to your website is just 0.01, for example, okay? So that's 100,000 clicks to your website for just $1,000, okay? And you can do the math with your calculator real quick for $100 or $10 or whatever. So let's say you do 1,000 a day, okay, into the ad source. And let's say per click, on average, whatever offer you're promoting, on average you make back, let's just say 10 cents. So you just got a 10x ROI so easily. You just buy traffic and you promote a good offer and you make obscene amounts of money. So you made 10 grand without doing really anything, and you can keep repeating this all month long and you make $300,000. This is basically what I do. I do this method. I do YouTube. I have a second YouTube channel. I do on high quality traffic sources. I run paid ads to funnels. I do all sorts of stuff. And I'm telling you guys, this is a great method for anyone to do that you can make insane money. I don't care if you're a garbage man, a cash register person, someone working at a restaurant, doesn't matter. You can make obscene amounts of money. That's just an example right there. If you guys like this video, smash that like button. I'll see you guys in more videos. Subscribe if you're new, Learning Machines, and peace out.